So now we are going to insert some values. Insert this table. I already created, so insert into our our table name is sales values, and order ID is 1, the order name is pen, or rate is 100. Next I uploaded as 2, order ID dress 750 as a rate. So like that, whatever you want you can insert. So we can execute this. So 3 rows affected. So how we can see this? By using select start from which table? Sales. Okay, sorry. So it's uploaded. So again, so we already created one primary key. How we declare primary key is because we are taking the unique value. Okay, so here the order ID name may change, right? The same name can come, right? So that we are not using name as primary key, we are taking order ID as primary key. Name maybe it becomes similar, same name can come again and again. So order ID is unique, so that we declare order ID as primary key.